Oh, it's funny, the silly little things that get me excited. You know what I mean? It's like, you know, you just have to kind of think about stuff. And you can do stuff like this. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, now I've got to put this on the right way. I don't want to put it on backwards or else that might not work either. So I'm going to have to take a look at this one here, the bottom one. Okay, got to hold that on there. I want to make sure I hold it on there nice and straight because I don't want to cross thread the threads. See, I'm already going crooked here. I have to hold that on there. Okay, there it goes. I think I got it. Good. There, see, now it's going to work. I want to make sure I don't tighten it up too far. So I better measure quickly. This sheetrock looks like 1/2 inch. Okay, so I just want to measure this area between that and the plastic lip of the front of the box. I got over 3/8, so I got plenty. I'm going to suck this in a little bit more. Just because I don't want it to just barely start and then put it in there and have it get cross-threaded or have it fall off and it's coming in at an angle. Okay, so now I push that down like that. So when I get ready, when I push that back into the box, as soon as I turn this halfway, up that paddle goes. Do you see there? Then I keep pressure on the screw and tighten it up, and that's going to suck right back up against there, and it's going to be nice and tight. I got to make sure that this flap is nice and loose, and that's going to push up there. And you know, I'm going to have to unscrew that one a little bit because I didn't take this plug out. I can only screw that in so far before it hits the screw, the mounting screw of the plug. And see, this one's hitting. That's because I got it up too close to the wall. Anyways, and I think it'll be okay once I push it. Yeah, see, I got enough clearance in between there, so that fits up tight. Then once that comes out, then I tighten it up. This screw is not going to be in my way at all, so I don't even have to move that at all. See how easy that's going to be? All right, I think we're ready to put that back in. What do you think? See, I knew you could do it. You don't even have to be an electrician to do this. You know, you play this tape back. If you got any questions, you'll be able to do it. If I can do it, you can do it. All right? I'm going to gently push this back in. I want to try to get that about where it was before. I got a little slop here. I can kind of line it up and I can see pretty much where it needs to go. I could move this to the right or left a little bit, but that looks pretty good, okay? I'm just going to hold this on here tight. Once I turn this, it's going down, okay? Now it's down. Now I have to keep pressure on this screw, okay? And screw it in. Just want to do it until I feel that it's starting to snug up, okay? All right, now it's snugging up. If I over tighten this, all it's going to do is bend the flap of the outside of the box out, and that's going to kind of suck the box in, and then the flap's going to be out too far. You know? I just want it snug for right now. Okay, now the troublesome one up here, right? Push in tight. That flap, if you can imagine it going up like that right now. I'm keeping pressure on it. I'm tightening it up. Kaboom. It's snug. Okay, now just a little bit more. I don't want to go too much because I don't want to strip the screw out of the plastic threads or snap it off or anything like that. Looking at this, that looks pretty good. If anything, this could be moved that way. So, you know, I could do that. I'm loosening this up and I gotta be careful, right? Now, there's not much slop there. I'm gonna move it to the left a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna snug it back. There, nice and tight. There it is. Look at that. Didn't have to take that plug out. Now, if when you put your cover plate back on, if it looks like it's still crooked, see where this is. You could loosen this screw and push the bottom over or the top over or whatever you gotta do, you know? Look at that. Wish this plug cover would fit a little better. But see, this is a standard plug cover, and it's got some paint right there. Where I painted this, it has a little bit on this edge. Not a whole lot, but see this plastic edge is sticking out because of the flap up here and down there, you know? There's only so good you can get these. We'll just see what we can do here. It's only gonna get so close, huh? See, I got that tight, and it would be ideal if this cover plate was a little bit wider, a little bit bigger and taller. They have some oversized plug covers at the store you can get, and then that would fold over that a little bit better. These cut-in boxes, there's only so tight to the wall that you can go. When you stand back, it looks fine. But if you look at it at an angle, do you see what I'm talking about? You see there? That plug plate cannot get any closer, but let's see what Joe's got up his sleeve. Maybe I can make something else work. What do you think? And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it.